Scavengers, freelancer,
Freelancer.com. I'm Denmark Miralpis.
and I'm Alan, the team captain of Flip Cup team.
And we're going to show you how to eat balot.
The balot here.
That's what we call balot. here in
Balot
Philippines.
is developing duck embryo that is boiled alive and eaten in a shell.
Yes.
Here, you see this? Okay, I'm gonna crack this egg and show you the meat inside this egg.
Okay.
Here. Okay. See? I'm gonna peel. Could you please get a paper
Yes.
to protect our Mac? Here. Here is the... No. Don't do that.
Okay.
This is the...
Liquid.
Oh my God. This is... Then, could you please
Okay.
show to them the liquid inside the balot? Here.
It's
Oh my God.
delicious.
It's delicious. Okay. Put it back. I'm gonna sip the
Yummy.
the juice inside. You see?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you
Yes. Okay.
spoon?
I'm gonna show you the liquid. The liquid. Oh, my
my
God. Oh my God. I'm gonna sip this.
Okay.
I'm gonna sip this. Do you have salt there? Yeah. This is a salt. This is sip with the salt.
It's very delicious. Yummy. I'll sip
Oh, yes,
it too.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Oh my God.
It's alive.
Okay. Okay, next is
Okay.
we're going to show you the real thing.
Oh my God, what's that?
Okay.
Delicious, huh?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Here,
It's a duck.
it's a duck. It's a embryo. Okay.
Boiled alive and eaten in the shell.
Yes. Okay. Here.
Yeah.
See that? Then could you show to them the real balot? Oh my God. See the, oh my God. Oh,
That's exotic.
it's exotic. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's eat
Eat
it.
it.
Don't.
Yes. I'm gonna use a spoon to
No, just
show to them the embryo. Oh
Oh
my,
my
God.
God. That's.
Oh my God. Oh my. See this? This is a chicken embryo or a duck. That's the head. That's the body. Here's the eyes. There. See?
Yes.
And I'm gonna eat this.
That's a developing duck.
This is a 18-day-old duck embryo, and this is
Okay.
very delicious. See.
Delicious.
This is the egg yolk.
Yes.
Oh my God, the mac! Oh, shit. No!
You have some cotton there. Cotton.
The mac is in trouble. Okay, here's the underwear. Sorry
guys.
Sorry guys.
We're
Oh
very
my
poor to
God.
buy new Mac.
Oh my God. Okay, let's continue. Here,
It's delicious, huh?
This is the egg yolk, the developed egg yolk.
Yes.
Yes, I'm gonna eat this also. Okay. Then, you want?
Yes, I want to try.
I will remove
Yeah,
first
yeah.
the surface. Okay, this is yours.
No, I will get.
Okay. Oh my god.
See this, huh? This is what we call
The egg yolk.
the egg yolk.
And this is the hard white
Yes,
something.
that's what
It
we
can
call
be
bato.
bato. Yeah. Okay, this is a salt. I will
Okay.
put the salt there.
Yes,
Okay, then
I will eat
Show
this
to them.
now.
oh,
It's very
very
delicious.
delicious. Okay.
Try some.
Okay.
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 Feel mararata.
This is wait.
This is the
We're gonna show them the whole balut.
Yeah.
This is the whole balut. Okay.
camera.
Can you?
Yes. This and show to them the real.
The real power of balot.
You see?
See that balot, huh?
Yeah.
That's
That's delicious. Oh,
My God.
that's the baby duck. 18-day-old duck. Boiled alive. See that?
Okay.
Okay. See that?
We're doing this because we want.
Okay, that's all.
See the balot. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, thank you.